Hi guys, you're welcome back to another video on the LeanTech channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable the Windows security on your Windows 11. Now, if you're trying to install an app on Windows 11 and the app seems not to be running because of the Windows security, here is how you can disable that on your Windows. Now, come to the search bar right here, and then you'd want to look for settings, and then click on privacy and security, and then click on Windows security. So from here, click on virus and threat protection. Virus and threat protection settings. You can come to manage settings and turn off all of these. And once you have done that, you can retake the installation. Try to rerun the application on your PC and see if that installs. So once you are done with the installation, you can come back to turn on the Microsoft security. So guys, so there you have it. That's how to turn off or turn on the Windows Defender on your Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.